The difference between evening and night. Many English learners feel confused about the words evening and night because both happen after the afternoon and before the next morning. In daily conversation, people sometimes use them casually, so they may sound similar. However, these two words actually describe different parts of the day and are used in different situations. This article will explain the difference in a simple and easy to understand way for beginners. A simple timeline. Think about the day like this: morning, afternoon, evening, night, morning. So evening comes first and night comes after evening. You can think of evening as the transition time, while night is the fully dark and quieter part of the day.
What is evening? Evening is the transition period between afternoon and night. It starts when the afternoon ends, around 5 or 6 p.m., and lasts until it gets fully dark, roughly until 8 or 9 p.m., depending on the season and where you live. During the evening, the sun is setting. The sky may look orange, pink, or purple. People are usually still active. Many people are finishing work or school. Families often eat dinner together. Evening is often seen as a relaxing and social time of day. Common evening activities. People often have dinner, take a walk, study, watch TV, meet friends, spend time with family. Example sentences with evening. I usually study English in the evening. We are meeting this evening at 7 p.m. The evening sky looked beautiful today. My parents enjoy drinking tea in the evening. Good evening, everyone.
What is night? Night is the dark part of the day when the sun is completely below the horizon. It starts after evening ends, around 8 or 9 p.m., and lasts until sunrise the next morning. Night is usually associated with darkness, quietness, sleep, rest, stars, and the moon. At night, most people stop working and prepare to sleep. Common night activities. People often sleep, rest, dream, work night shifts, watch the stars, stay up late. Example sentences with night. I sleep at 10 o'clock every night. The stars are very bright at night. She stayed up all night studying for her exam. It becomes very quiet at night. Good night, Mom.
Easy comparison table. Evening. Time, around 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sky, sunset or getting dark. People, usually active. Activities, dinner, hobbies, relaxing. Greeting, good evening. Night. Time, around 9 p.m. to sunrise. Sky, completely dark. People, usually resting or sleeping. Activities, sleeping, resting. Greeting, good night, before sleep.
The difference between good evening and good night. This is one of the most common mistakes for beginners. Good evening. We use good evening when we meet someone during the evening. It is a greeting. Examples. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Anna. How are you? Good night. We usually use good night when leaving someone late at night, going to sleep. It is usually a goodbye expression, not a greeting. Examples. Good night, Dad. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
A common beginner mistake. Many learners say good night when they arrive somewhere in the evening. This sounds unnatural in English.
Wrong. Good night, everyone, when arriving at a party. Correct? Good evening, everyone. Later, when leaving the party, you can say, good night, everyone. A simple trick to remember. Here is an easy way to remember the difference. Evening means people are still active. Night means people are preparing to sleep or already sleeping. Another simple clue. If there is still some light in the sky, it is probably evening. If the sky is completely dark, it is night.
Real-life examples. Imagine you are making plans with a friend. Example 1. Let's meet this evening at 6 p.m. This means you will meet before it becomes very late. There may still be some daylight outside. Example 2. I'll call you tonight at 10 p.m. This means the call will happen late. It will already be fully dark outside. Short conversation example. In the evening. Good evening, Lisa. Good evening, Tom. How was your day? At night. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep now. Okay, good night. Good night. Final summary. Although evening and night both happen after the afternoon, they are not the same. Evening is the early part after afternoon, when people are still active and the sky is becoming dark. Night is the later part, when it is completely dark and most people are resting or sleeping. Remember, say good evening when greeting someone. Say good night when leaving or going to bed. With practice, using these two words correctly will become easy and natural.